Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. First open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon in the top right corner on Android or the bottom right corner on iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Setting and Privacy. Then select Settings on your phone. Then go to Accounts Center. There have no option. This is the new update of Facebook. You have to now go to Manage Accounts. You have to see your Facebook account name. Then tap on Manage. Here you have to see Deactivate or Deletion. Tap on Deactivate or Deletion option and click on Deactivate account, then tap on Continue. Enter your password and follow the on-screen instruction to confirm. That's it, your Facebook account is now deactivated and you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.